Welcome. In front of me is a Realme 11 Pro Plus, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open for me, as you can see. Now, before you capture the screenshot, just make sure that the content that you wish to actually capture is visible right now on your screen. Once it is, hold your power button and volume down at the same time. You'll have sound pop up. First time around, gives you the notification that you can capture a screenshot with a 3-finger swipe down, and you can also do a couple additional things, but I'm talking only about screenshots. So that being said, let's capture one with 3-finger swipe. Now when you capture it, it gives you scroll and share option, and after a moment this just kind of vanishes. Going to the scroll option, it's only accessible in areas where you can scroll down. So as an example, your settings, you can scroll down here, and the content does need to be full screen basically. So if you would have like settings where you have swipe here and you have more panel on the side where you can swipe again, this already would kind of break it. But for instance, Instagram will work fine with this, so you can constantly just keep scrolling and capture anything from very top where you begin to however far down you want to scroll down to. Now, going to the actual screenshots that we have captured, we can navigate to our Photos application or gallery, however it's called. I believe this is it. Yep, that's one of them. So you can see my screenshots right over here. So these two. So that's 1 and 2. There is a chance that we might also see it in the albums under screenshots, and there we go. Now, Realme does also clump up screenshots with screen recordings. That's why we have one screen recording right here. But again, these are the screenshots. And you can find them in the same place if you open up the Photos application from Google. So again, it will also have the screenshots folder, and you can also, never mind, you cannot see them in the Photos. So you can only find it in the library under Photos album. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.